HCTI stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday, for Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, people think I'm exaggerating. No, it's all on my YouTube channel. And just looking at this is where I'm sitting at right now. Like, let me just zoom out. It's a bearish market, you know, 99% down. It's absolutely crazy. Therefore, going into this next week, I mean, even onwards, the only thing that it's going to make me be bullish is a full candle close above $9.36. And if that doesn't happen, then I don't quite care, whatever the heck happens next, you know what I mean? Like, with this supply, like if the price comes up a little bit higher and it gives me a double break, I'm also looking to take it further down. But like randomly selling will just simply not be happening, right? And all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. So that's how HCTI is looking like. This is obviously by no means financial advice. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.